summer may have been full of fun and games, but when it comes to fall, you've got to tackle your home fix-it list.
And whenever you hear the words fix it, you know who we're going to call. Today, contributor and host of House Smarts, Lou Manfredini. He must be close by, and this time, we say close by, he's right here.
Well, I'm so happy to see you.
When was the last time you were here, honestly?
18 months ago.
What? Oh, my God.
Yeah, I haven't been to New York in 18 months, which New York is back. It's beautiful. It's fun to see, and I even went to a Broadway show last night to help support Broadway.
Oh, what did you see?
I went to see Waitress.
Oh,
yeah.
That is awesome. Okay,
it's great.
Well,
come to New York. It's great.
He's right on. All right, we got some questions for you. First one's from Kathy in Florida. She says this: I have white gutters and soffits all the way around my house. Over the last years, they've started to turn gray. How can I clean them? I'm sorry. I don't know what a soffit is.
Well, that's the overhang.
That's the overhang. I was going to ask Hoda what a soffit is because this is how she said it. Soffit.
It's the overhang of a house.
So
this is the product right here called CHOMP. What happens is there is an electrolysis that occurs with gutters, and it's hard to clean it. Regular cleaners don't work. They created this cleaner, and they give you this thing called a smock. Okay. And it's like a sponge, and you can put it on an extension pole here, and I've got a little gutter you can see that we sort of put, and you go back and forth, and this is a demo one, but it actually removes all of that black stuff that sticks to the gutter and the siding and the downspouts. It's amazing. It's like a magic potion. I don't know what's in it. It's safe to use, but it really does work.
Lou, this is a true story. This is a question from Jenna Hager from New York, New York. I once had flooding in my house because our gutters, we thought there was an issue. It was because Henry and I never cleaned out our gutters, and water went through. And leaves are beautiful, but they're hard to clean.
So there's a ton of things that you can do, right? I mean, there's a ton of products out there. This is just one. So this is a Toro leaf blower, and there's an attachment. I only have one section on here right now, but imagine that it comes with multiple sections, and then you take that blower from the ground, and you want to wear safety glasses and a hat, and you're going to, from the ground, now imagine I'm down here, and here's the gutters, and ready, we see there, there's a guy right there. And so he's on the ground, and he's blowing out those gutters.
Oh, so it blows them out.
It blows them out of there. It's super satisfying. And then here,
let's watch it here on
and then here, I can do it here just because, we give you some action here, and it. I'm sorry to whomever has to clean those out. But it really does work, and it's lightweight, but you want to make sure you wear safety glasses.
Well, hey, Lou, we have a question from some girl named Joanne from Montclair, New Jersey. I think she used to be our executive producer. She can't quit us. How do I get mildew off my home's exterior, especially the wood siding? Hi, JoJo.
These two products right here, they're the same product, but in different versions, Wet and Forget. Now, this is a product of a company out of New Zealand. They actually use this on the top of the Sydney Opera House and have for 30 years.
Wow.
It works with the sun and the wind and the rain. This concentrate, you can put in a pump sprayer like this, and you can literally go to the side of the house and spray this on, and that's it. You wet it and forget it. However, and then it will work with the sun and the wind and the rain, and it'll go away.
It will go away.
Now, if you look at this, if you have a really big area, they have one you connect to the garden hose. It sprays up to 30 feet. Doesn't happen right away, ladies. It takes about 30 days for it to happen, but it really, really does work.
Wait, is this a power?
This is called a pump sprayer, and so you would fill this with the concentrate, and then you would take it. I haven't tested this out.
Go?
I can, but then you spray it.
Yeah.
See, there you go. And then you spray this on, and you don't even have to wash it. You just let it sit there, and it does its work.
The wind and the rain does.
Then, if you're going to repaint, I know that lady from Montclair had that question. You can get paint like this. Most exterior paints have a mildewcide. This is an additive that you can put in any exterior paint, okay? It's a mildew additive. You literally just pour it into any latex paint, and this would be, it's a liquid.
Yeah.
And then you stir that in, and once you stir that in, you apply it. It keeps the mildew and the mold away when you go to repaint.
Wow, we don't have much time, but tell us what these things do.
A lot of people with flooded basements. I mean, certainly in the Northeast, it's been crazy. This is a couple of products that's great. This mold control product, you can spray on areas where you have mildew and mold. It is safe to use. You literally don't drink it, but I mean, it would taste terrible, but it's safe to use. It kills mold on contact.
Awesome.
These moisture grabbers you put in the basement and you put it in the corner, it soaks up the moisture. 30 days, get another one.
Oh, that is awesome.
Lou, we're happy to see you.
So nice to see you, ladies.